Baking a cake is a delightful journey that transforms simple ingredients into a scrumptious creation. To begin your baking adventure, gather the essential ingredients: flour, sugar, eggs, butter, baking powder, milk, and vanilla extract. Each component plays a crucial role in achieving that perfect, fluffy texture and rich flavor. Start by preheating your oven to 350 degrees 175 degrees. This important step ensures an even baking temperature, allowing your cake to rise beautifully. Prepare your cake pans by greasing them with butter or lining them with parchment paper to prevent sticking. This will allow your cake to release effortlessly once baked. In a large mixing bowl, cream together the softened butter and sugar until light and fluffy. This process incorporates air into the mixture, creating a light texture that is essential in a cake. Next, add the eggs one at a time, beating well after each addition to ensure they are fully incorporated and create a smooth batter. In a separate bowl, sift together the flour and baking powder, a crucial step that helps to aerate the flour. Gradually add the dry ingredients to the buttery mixture, alternating with milk. Begin and end with the dry ingredients, mixing gently until just combined. Be careful not to overmix. This can lead to a dense cake rather than a light, airy one. Pour the batter into the prepared cake pans, smoothing the tops with a spatula. Place them in the oven and bake for 25-30 minutes or until a toothpick inserted into the center comes out clean. This sweet aroma will fill your kitchen, promising a treat worth the wait. Once baked, allow the cakes to cool in the pans for about 10 minutes before transferring them to a wire rack. This resting period ensures they set properly. While they cool, you can prepare your favorite frosting, whether it's a classic buttercream or a decadent chocolate ganache. Once the cakes are completely cool, place one layer on a serving plate and spread a generous amount of frosting on top. Add the second layer and cover the entire cake with frosting. Decorate with sprinkles, fresh fruits, or chocolate shavings for an eye-catching finish. Finally, slice into your homemade cake and savor the sweet rewards of your labor. Baking is not just about the destination, but also the joyful moments spent creating delicious memories.